This is ginger lemon water. Lemon suppresses your appetite, and ginger is also helps you lose weight. So if you drink this, it relieves nausea, it helps weight loss, improves immunity, reduces cardiovascular disease, also cleans your liver and relieve pain, and helps in decreasing your blood tummy, because we are always bloated after the food we had last night, and you should drink it in empty stomach, which is very important. I'll teach you how to make it. I just take few lemons. You slice the lemon and you slice the ginger, chop chop chop. Then when it's clean, you put it in a boiling water and boil it for 10 to 20 minutes until it's done. Then you can cool it for some times and drink it lukewarm, or you can freeze it and drink it cold. You can add some honey in it. That's it. So ginger has a lot of antioxidants, and that helps to reduce the risk of cancer, heart diseases, even Parkinson disease. And because it is rich in potassium, it's really, really good for you. Balances our blood sugar, and it prevents you from overeating. It helps in neurodegenerative disease like Parkinson and Huntington disease, and also it helps in reducing inflammations in the body and muscle pain, and it will help you. It will keep you hydrated, lower your cholesterol, man. And another thing is, have it before going to bed, because it is so good for you. You will wake up with less bloat